Bobo loves lightning bugs. Bobo and Silly Willy were going to Grandma's house. Bobo and Silly Willy loved to go to Grandma's house. Grandma was lots of fun and always made Bobo and Silly Willy laugh. Grandma's house was lots of fun, and Grandma always had cookies, lots and lots of cookies. Bobo and Silly Willy loved to visit Grandma, and they loved cookies, lots and lots of cookies. At Grandma's house, there were lots of lightning bugs in the backyard, lots and lots of lightning bugs. Bobo and Silly Willy liked lightning bugs. Silly Willy, said Bobo, I wish we had lots of lightning bugs in our house. Silly Willy, said Bobo, I got a good idea. Let's take some of these lightning bugs over to our house. Then we'll have lots of lightning bugs too. Silly Willy thought that was a good idea. Bobo and Silly Willy got jars from Grandma and started catching lightning bugs as fast as they could. Soon their jars were full of lightning bugs. The lights from the lightning bugs twinkled on and off, on and off. When Bobo and Silly Willy got home, they ran out into the backyard. You know, Bobo, said Silly Willy, we should name all these lightning bugs. Bobo thought that was a good idea. He reached into the jar and took Fred the lightning bug out of the jar and let him fly high into the sky. Silly Willy reached into his jar and let Willis and Ginger fly into the sky. Bobo then let George the lightning bug and Kenny fly into the sky. When Bobo and Silly Willy finished naming all the lightning bugs and the jars were empty, there were lightning bugs all over the backyard. The lights from the lightning bugs twinkled on and off, on and off. Bobo and Silly Willy laughed and laughed. Fred, called Bobo. Fred the lightning bug was high up in the trees. He turned his light on to see who was calling him. Willis, called Silly Willy. Willis the lightning bug blinked his light on and off, on and off. Bobo and Silly Willy laughed and called each lightning bug by their name. They all blinked their lights on and off, on and off. The whole backyard was full of twinkling lights, blinking on and off. This is so much fun, said Bobo. Silly Willy thought so too. Bobo and Silly Willy had lots of lightning bugs in their backyard. Lots and lots of lightning bugs. You know, Silly Willy, said Bobo, I like ladybugs too, and Grandma has lots and lots of ladybugs in her backyard. Yes, says Silly Willy, Grandma has lots and lots of ladybugs in her backyard. Bobo and Silly Willy laughed. It had been a fun day. They had lots and lots of lightning bugs in their backyard, and tomorrow they would take their jars to Grandma's house and bring back ladybugs. Lots and lots of ladybugs. The end.